Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Mata Di. Hello, good evening everyone. This is Rahul Prakash from Best Intraday Stocks for today and tomorrow. So guys, in this video, I'm going to analyze top 15 best intraday stocks for tomorrow's trading session. But before proceeding that, I would like to disclose today's educational trading session's result. But before that, I want to say something. I want to just remember the Narayanpur soldiers. I just want to remember them by the following lines. So चलो फिर से आज वो नज़ारा याद कर रहे हैं. चलो फिर आज से वो नज़ारा याद कर रहे हैं. शहीदों के दिल में थी वो ज्वाला याद कर रहे हैं, जिसमें बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पे. जिसमें बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पे. देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद कर लें. चलो फिर से आज वो नज़ारा याद कर लें. शहीदों के दिल में थी वो ज्वाला याद कर लें, जिसमें बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पे. देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद कर लें. जय श्री राधे, जय माता दी. Hello, good evening everyone. So guys, let me first disclose my today's trading sessions result. Today's educational trading sessions result. So total cost I have provided you 53, out of which profit cost were 49 and loss cost were only 0.4. So equity cash costs were 26, option costs were 3, future costs were 9, and Nifty and Bank Nifty costs were 15. So have a very fast look one by one. First one is Bajaj Finance from 5,360 to 5,260. Next is Torrent Pharma from 2,470 to 2,450. JSW Steel 439.50 to 432. Next is Adani Port 746 to 699. Divis Lab 3,507 to 3,460. Bandhan Bank 369 to 371. Next is Hero Motocorp 3,059 to 3,025. Granules 324 to 329.70. Britannia 3,532 to 3,522. Escort 1,369.50 to 1,317. Bajaj Auto 3,684 to 3,592. Next is Dr. Reddy 4,400 to 4,342. Next is Just Dial 915 to 923.60. Apollo Hospital 2,942 to 2,945. Apollo Hospital was in loss. I am concluding it in loss. So Lupin 1,012 to 1,012.50 to 1,026. Next is Adani Port 735 to 699. M&M 842.95 to 845. ICICI Bank 577.30 to 566. Next is Power Grid 220 to 223.90. HUL Hindustan Unilever 2,338 to 2,350. Next is BPCL. BPCL is in loss. Colpal 1570 to 1577. Marico 400 to 405.50. Next is Dabur 533.25 to 535.70. Brigade Enterprise 252.50 to 259. Trend is in loss. So next is option trades. Cipla 800 call 22.60 to 30.80. Lot size 1300 quantities per lot. Adani Enterprise 1140 calls 5 to 5.30. It is also in loss. SBI Life 900 की put 31 to 38. So now I will look on future trades. PVR Food 1320 to 1282. Lot size 407 quantities per lot. Next is JSW Steel Food 440.30 to 432. Lot size 2,720 rupees per lot. Next is Adani Port 746 to 700. Lot size 2,520 rupees per lot. Bandhan Bank 369.30 to 371.25. Lot size 1,820 rupees per lot. Next is Granules for 324 to 329.80. Lot size 1,550 rupees per lot. UBL for 1279 to 1281. Lot size 720 rupees per lot. Escort for 1369.70 to 1317. Lot size 550 quantities per lot. Next is Bank Nifty for 33,900 to 33,265. Lot size 25 quantities per lot. Next is USD INR for 72.61 to 72.79. So next is Nifty and Bank Nifty trades. First one is Bank Nifty 34,000 key put 355 to 780. Next is 33,800 key put 280 to 631. Bank Nifty 34,000 key put 366 to 792. Bank Nifty 33,000 key put 90 to 207.45. Bank Nifty 33,900 key put 330 to 708. So Bank Nifty 33,400 key put 185 to 371. Bank Nifty 34,000 key call 300 to 320. Next is Bank Nifty 33,900 key put 325 to 708. Bank Nifty 33,700 key put 265 to 557. Next is Nifty 14,600 key put 53 to 114. Next is Bank Nifty 33,500 key put 190 to 426. Next is Bank Nifty 34,200 key call 207 to 230. Next is Bank Nifty 34,000 key put 400 to 792. So now have a very fast look on tomorrow's best 15 intraday stocks for tomorrow's trading session. So first pick is HUL, Hindustan Unilever. You can go for the buy side in Hindustan Unilever only above 2,620. So next is Britannia. We can go for the buy side in Britannia only above 3,540. So next is Eicher Motor. We can go for the buy side in Eicher Motor only above 2,650. So you have to just wait for the price action. Okay. So next is HDFC. We can go for the buy side in HDFC only above 2,467. Okay. So 2,467. So next is Emami. We can go for the buy side in Emami only above 472.50. Okay, so just wait for the crossing for the levels of 472.50. You have to just buy only above 472.50. So next is Tata Consumer Product. We can go for the buy side in Tata Consumer Product only above 632. Okay, 632. So next is Dabur. We can go for the buy side in Dabur only above 530. Okay, Dabur can show you a very good performance in tomorrow's trading session. So next is Jubilant Food. We can go for the buy side in Jubilant Food only about 2,870. Okay, so just wait 870. Yeah. You can go for the buy side in Jubilant Food only about 2,870. So next is BPCL. We can go for the buy side in BPCL only above 430. Okay. So next is Whirlpool. We can go for the buy side in Whirlpool only about 2,255. So next is Ajanta Pharma. We can go for the buy side in Ajanta Pharma only above 1810. So we can go for the buy side in Ajanta Pharma only above 1810. Next is P PII Indust PI Indust PI Industries. We can go for the buy side in PI Industries only above 2305. Next is APL Apollo Tubes. Okay, APL Apollo Tubes. We can go for the buy side. We can go for the sell side in APL Apollo Tubes only below 1280. Okay. Yes. Next is ICICI Prudential. We can go for the buy side in ICICI Prudential only above 430. Okay. So next and last is ICICI GI. We can go for the buy side in ICICI GI only above 1405. We can go for the buy side only above 1405. So I hope you are enjoying trading with Rahul Prakash. If you are really enjoying trading with me, then please go and subscribe to my Telegram channel and to my YouTube channel. So see you on tomorrow's trading session. Till that, bye bye. Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Mata Di.